Genie. Start with the butterfly stretch. Press the sole of your feet together. Sit nice and tall and let your knees open naturally. Breathe deeply into the hips. Now straight toward your right side. Keep your right leg extended, reach of your toes, and open your chest upward. Feel the strength along of your side body and inner thigh. Switch sides, extend your left leg out, reach down, and stretch your right arm across. Keep your breathing steady and controlled. Transition to a half split with your right leg back. Keep your hips square forward, level your pelvis gently and lengthen your spine. Switch your leg, raising your left leg back. Keep your weight balanced and focus on relaxing your hips. Flexor with every exhale. Finish in a frog pose, resting your forward, widening your knees, and align and anchors with your knees. Gently place your hip back to open up inner thighs. Great job today! If you enjoyed this routine, maybe you also like this daily leg workout that you can do every single day alongside this stretch. See you in the next video!